What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have a price update on Hedera Hashgraph, which has pumped up 20% in the last 24 hours. As you can see, most of it did come from the last couple of hours where it pumped up from 6 cents, just below 6 cents, nearly hitting the 7 cents target. So we're going to be going through, is it time to invest into it right now? Is it too late? Should you sell it if you want a profit and take out your profit, or should you just hold on to it? We're going to cover both buyers and sellers point of view, and looking at its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, and also over the long term, over the next few months, and overall in 2023, how high can this crypto go, and is it worth investing into it in 2023? But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, following me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently on the Coinbase website. The market is up just over 2% in the last 24 hours, and we can see Hedera Hashgraph is one of the top gainers in the last 24 hours. So in the last hour itself, we managed to gain a massive 3% in value in a single hour. Over the last day, 21%. Over the week, 46, guys. As you can see, consistently going up in value over the last 7 days. Yes, it's had its dips here and there in between, but overall it has been performing very well and consistently gaining value on a daily basis. And over the month, is a massive 64% up, guys. As you can see, surprisingly, it's been dropping in value in December, but as soon as it hit the 1st of January 2023, it's been consistently gaining value. So yeah, it is on the right path, but it's about maintaining that and heading towards the positive direction for the rest of the week, month, and overall for the rest of the year as well. So on the CoinMarketCap website now, we can see the trading volume has gone up by a massive 64% in the last 24 hours, making it $97 million in trading, which is a huge amount of money that is currently being traded on Hedera Hashgraph. We're seeing a lot more buyers, a lot more sellers, and in general, just a lot of people trading it right now, as it has been getting a lot of attention, a lot of hype around it. So obviously, we are going to see a lot more people trading the crypto, both buyers and sellers. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the MACD indicator, which I'm going to be using to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So at the top here, we've got the candlestick pattern chart with the daily chart, and we've got the purple line running across the chart here, giving us the average value of Hedera Hashgraph here in purple. As you can see, that's the SMA indicator, currently valuing Hedera Hashgraph at 0.04872, so just about the 5 cents target. However, it is trading at much higher value here at 0.06892, nearly hitting the 7 cents target, meaning it's performing quite well and much better than expected. So what I'm going to do now is zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors. But before I do that, just a little disclaimer, guys. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, the blue and the orange line are both looking very bearish, heading towards a positive direction, and looking very steep as well, which can only mean one thing: it is not realistic. As I previously mentioned, whenever you see a crypto or a MACD indicator going in a bullish direction but looking as steep as this, that means it's not realistic. So yes, guys, over the next 12 to 14 hours, I'm expecting the crypto to take a little dip, a little step back, nothing too major, potentially dropping down to about 0.065 cents is what I'm expecting towards the end of the day today and early hours of tomorrow. But in between that time, do expect more green candles and red candles. It's going to be up and down. It's likely to go past the 7 cents target as well, but by the early hours of tomorrow, we should see it drop back down below the 0.065 cents target. As you guys can see, red candles are part of the process, and whenever a crypto does a huge percentage increase in a short amount of time, the crypto has to take a little dip, it has to take a little breather, and the exact same applies to Hedera Hashgraph. Now, moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we expect here? As you can see, still looking very bullish, very steep, meaning it is once again not realistic. However, over the coming days, so let's say over the next week or so, by the end of next week, I'm expecting an overall increase in value on Hedera Hashgraph. It should be trading between the 9 and 10 cents target by the end of next week. Again, it's not going to be a major pump or a major bull run or anything like that. It is going to be minimal, but as long as we start to move in a positive direction, that's all that matters. And at this point, that seems to be right. So yeah, heading towards 9 and 10 cents is what I'm expecting towards the end of next week. Now moving on to the daily chart, what can we see here? The blue and the orange line are once again looking quite bullish, heading towards a positive direction. However, they're not looking as steep as the previous two charts. So yes, more increases in value are expected from Hedera Hashgraph over the coming weeks. So here I'm talking about mid-March to late March 2023. I am expecting an overall minimal increase in value from Hedera Hashgraph, and potentially going above the 22 cents target is what I'm expecting from Hbar over the next couple of weeks. It's going to be a slow and steady process. Don't get me wrong, we are going to see red candles, we are going to see dips. That's part of the process, but the overall outcome seems to be more on the positive side, which is all that matters. So yes guys, an overall increase in value is what I'm expecting over the next 8 to 10 weeks. We should be trading above the 22 cents target, unless of course the market goes through a major crash or a major bull run. That's going to have a major impact not just on the value of Hbar, but most cryptocurrencies out there, either in a positive or negative way. But either way, I will make sure to keep you guys updated as much as I can and as soon as I can on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale to do some technical analysis. As you can see, we are still trading in the red zone, guys. However, we are getting higher and higher day by day. Since the 1st of January, we've been gaining value, and guys, we are getting closer to the green zone or the resistance target here. And as you can see, the resistance target is 16 cents. So according to my predictions, we should be able to hit the resistance target by late February and early March as well, and potentially break out from this line here and head into the green zone by mid to late March, hitting about 20 to 22 cents in target. And of course, if it goes for a crash and so on, it's going to have an effect. But so far, that's what my expectations are, and hopefully towards mid-year we should be able to head into the green zone, dark green zone, and then towards the end of the year head into the blue zone if everything goes well. But again, if you guys want regular updates on Hedera Hashgraph, let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll try and keep you guys updated a couple of times a week. But yeah, comment down below if you guys want that. But yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on Hedera Hashgraph, guys. Comment down below your end of year target for this cryptocurrency. How high do you guys expect Hedera Hashgraph to go in 2023? Let me know, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. A massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. So please guys, make sure to hit that subscribe button, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, and also it's free to hit that subscribe button, so why not, guys? And yeah, I'm not going to keep you guys here for any longer. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.